Okappy provides a seamless way to keep your customers informed about the jobs you add. You can automatically notify your customers by SMS, text message, or email when a job is added. This short video tutorial guides you through the process of setting up email notifications for your customers. To send a notification, navigate to the Jobs screen from within the Okappy platform. Click the New Job button. Select the job type. Ensure the job type you choose includes an email field. This is required for the notification. Select your customer. Complete the job details, ensuring the correct email address is entered in the email field. This is where the notification will be sent. Click the Notifications option. Check the checkbox labeled Advise Customer by email that their job has been added. Once all the details are correctly filled in, click on the Add Job button. Your job will be added to the system. An email notification will be sent to the email address provided in the job details. Okappy will remember your settings and will automatically send an email every time a new job is added, provided there is a valid email address in an email field of the job details.